How to measure and install an insect screen to a Breezway Louvre window. In this video, we'll use two install methods. One is from the inside, and the second installation, the same window, from a ladder outside. The screen install is identical, but the prep is different. Let's show the inside installation first. Use this option when you can't install from the outside for any reason. Maybe the windows are too high or there are obstacles in the way. If these windows are on the ground floor, install them from the outside. It's easier. Start by pulling out about half the glass louver blades. When you pull the blades out, store them in a safe place. Breezway louvers have screen channels. But unlike most other brands, the channels are on each side and are identical depths. Each side channel is about 20 millimeters. The screen is going to slot into one side channel and then swing across and into the other. To keep the screen centered, we use a 10 millimeter sponge on each side. When installing the screen, the sponge squashes, allowing the screen in, but then expands, preventing the screen from being able to fall out. Even in high winds, the sponge stops the screen from falling out. Measure the window width from both fins. Measurement is 863 millimeters. Add 20 millimeters for the window channel depth and deduct 3 millimeters for clearance for a width manufacturing size of 880 millimeters. Measure the drop from the bottom sill to the head. This measurement is 1,447 millimeters. Deduct 2 millimeters for a manufacturing size of 1,445 millimeters. Installing the sponges inside the window channel 150 millimeters from each corner and one in the center. Carefully lift the screen and push to one side of the channel first, depressing the sponges with the screen frame. When in both side channels, adjust it so it's centered. Tip: the sponges will make the screen sit in the center position. Installing from the outside, we have a similar yet easier and faster method because we don't need to remove any louver blades. Place the sponges inside both channels and install the screen by positioning the screen one side channel first. Move it across to fit inside the opposite channel. Like the inside method, the sponges will center the screen. Much easier. There you go, another Starline Security installation. For other videos like this, subscribe to our channel.